Okay, I'm going to show you another Blooket activity. I just want to remind you again, if you go to settings, okay, if you click add a refer, all you need to do is enter my name, Mrs. Jenkins, no period, no space. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you. All right, so let me show you again with this one. Let's host a different game. So we went through classic again, which most people are familiar with. But let's look at the factory one, okay? And we're gonna host it. So in other videos, I'm gonna talk about the homework piece of it, but let's host it so you can see what it looks like, all right? The way I really like this is the ability to set it for minutes. So if I just want a 2-minute break in a lesson, I can very easily just do this. So I'm gonna set it for 1 minute just so that we can see what actually happens, okay? I always allow the power-ups. That's what makes it kind of exciting. And I leave late joining, okay? So host now. But again, you can modify this. You see, you can change it to whatever time you want. But I'm just gonna do a quick 1 minute. And I'm gonna host that now, okay? Again, here's the way for students to join, but I'm gonna copy that join link. And again, enter that in a new tab. And I'm going to join as me. And then again, I'm waiting in the lobby. I can choose avatars. So here, these ones that are locked, that's where you're going to spend those coins on, okay? And so I'm going to go back here. I have to click start. All right, so now would you like a quick tutorial? So I'm going to say yes because I don't really know what I'm doing. So to start your factory, you have to answer questions. So answer one question. All right, I got it right. So it says click anywhere. All right, and says each one is going to fill up this. So I got to keep going. And all right, so I need 2 more questions, right, to fill it up. And all right, so now I pick one of these, all right, whichever one I want, okay? And now you can see that it's slowly making some money for me, all right? And you get more cash, you can upgrade. We're going to try to match them, okay? And so here we go. The endocrine system must work with, we'll say this. We'll just get some answers right. Here we go. And just so that I can show you. Oh, there we go. And I'm going to pick my multiplier again. So you can see 1 minute, awfully short, probably not ideal in a classroom. I usually use 3 to 5 minutes. But again, I like it because it simply cuts it off. So you're not waiting for, students to join and join and join and finish. That's it. Time limit done. Okay. I really like that option. All right. So if you go to your profile, you can see, students can see all the things that they've done if they join, but there's no requirement to join. Okay. So that's how you would play the factory one. Okay. But again, that's a real quick recap. My students really like it.